Hello, I'm going to be talking to you about birds today. Most people want to know what's the difference between wild birds and pet birds. Well, the first thing that are similar is they will be having the same type, they are the same species. But wild birds will be injured more and die more because they have more obstacles and challenges in their lives. People also want to know how many birds will be living to this day. Right now, 9,956 species live. But not many will be living throughout. But most deaths have caused by humans and cats. Humans because of hunting, and cats because the cats just like to eat. And last thing, just for fun, some fun feather facts. Some birds, when they incubate, they lose feathers, and that would be called a broad patch. And the reason why birds have colorful feathers is because of pigments, but that's different with blue feathers. Blue feathers have wavelengths. Thank you. I hope you learned a whole bunch about